It's the pre-facelift model. Absolutely gorgeous. Man, this car is quick. And get some pops going. There they are. 500 horsepower. Let's enjoy the RS3. What's up everyone? Welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max and today we are here with another car by Elmerhaus, Automobiltechnik near Bremen in Germany. And it's a mean RS3. It's the pre-facelift model. So it has the 2.5 liter 5-cylinder turbo engine, stock 367 horsepower, but with his Elmerhaus tune it has 500 horsepower and something like 650 newton meters. We also have these 20-inch OZ Racing Ultra Leggera HLT wheels, which are really cool. Some Audi RS brakes behind that, and it also has an enormous exhaust, also by Elmerhaus, so you can actually see the pipes obviously, but beneath there you can see that every silencer, every pipe has its own silencer. So it sounds really cool. Black diffuser as well, and other than that, it also has something cool under here, which is this Eventuri carbon fiber air intake kit, which is gorgeous. Big pipe coming, or not really coming from there. This is the scoop, sucks in air over here, goes into the filter, which is in here, and then goes through. Really beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I really love those air intakes. And in here, well, it's just a stock RS3 little carbon fiber, and that is actually what Elmerhaus love to do. It's sort of OEM plus. You wouldn't say on the outside that this is such a crazy RS3. All right, let's start it up. Nice dark sound with some loud bangs as well. Yeah, it's a mean car. And let's enjoy the RS3 on the Autobahn, which is sort of the best place for an RS3 because it is a mini RS6 in my mind, and you know, that is where this RS3 always really shines. A lot of bangs from the exhaust already. Alright, we'll take this gap. Yes, thank you very much. Alright, there we go. Quintessential 5-cylinder engine sound, always lovely. That exhaust really gives it a bit more of a body. Wow, it's actually pretty quick. That's 250 already. Nice. I do feel the wheels, the fact that they are 20-inch. That's 280. Woo! 23, 4, 5, 6, 7. 287 in an RS3, not bad. Oh, but those wheels are too big. Oh my. It starts weaving around at higher speeds, and especially if you brake in a corner like I just did, it sort of moves around. So I think these wheels are a size too large. I think 19-inch would be better. But it's really only when you have a bit of rough surface or a bit of wind, or when you brake or when you turn. So I would definitely recommend going for 19s, but other than that, man, this car is quick. Alright, let's go for some manual shifting and get some pops going. There they are. So this car belongs to a guy who has had everything done at Elmerhaus, But the fun story is that his dad actually owns an RS6 C7, which has around 800. Yeah. Which has around 800 horsepower. But this RS3 is getting so crazy that it's actually, you know, right up there with the RS6. The dad actually said to Elmerhaus, like, don't make it any more powerful, this is it, because I don't want my son in his RS3 to be quicker than me in my RS6. So Elmerhaus is actually working on a turbo upgrade for an RS6, keeping the bi-turbo setup to go to 850, 900 horsepower. So that guy already said, well, I want that setup when you guys finish it, because I want to be quicker than my son in his RS3. I think that's pretty cool. Father and son enjoying a couple of fast Audis, having them tuned by Elmerhaus. Now those crackles are pretty loud. You actually also hear some induction sound of the e-Venturi when you lift off. Yeah, that's also cool. This is a cool setup. So this is the pre-facelift model, as I said. After the facelift it went from 367 horsepower to 400 because they used the new 5-cylinder engine, which is mainly made from aluminium instead of cast iron, and that means that it's actually 26 kilos lighter than the previous engine, than this one. That's probably the biggest difference when it comes to the facelift of this car, other than, you know, the looks and the interior. Let's get some bangs. Wow, they go on for quite some time. Man. Alrighty, here we go again. Actually feels really good. This is a stage 3 ECU tune. You can also go stage 4, but that means that you have to get a bigger turbo. This is really the max of this turbo, 500 horsepower. And the 5-cylinder purists actually say that this engine, this version of this engine, is the best sounding one, because the aluminium block actually means that it's less loud than this version. And well, I have to say that this sound is really good. It is absolutely gorgeous, and you would pick it out of any lineup, you know. That 5-cylinder sound is just so enjoyable. It's such a recognizable sound, and especially because it has this Elmerhaus exhaust with downpipe with sports cat, and you know, these bangs and crackles. It is really, it's a lot of fun to drive. So since it's getting a little bit busier here, I'm going to end it here. Thank you so much for watching. You can subscribe by clicking the big button right here. You can also check out this POV review of an Audi RS4 by Abt if you want to size up, and you can check this playlist with a lot of POV reviews, so go check it out if you liked this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye guys.